Fort Meade officials broke ground on the Army's newest unaccompanied junior enlisted quarters on Fort Meade, Maryland. Assistant Secretary of the Army, the Honorable Catherine Hammock, shares a few words about the event.
This is a first for the Army. It's the first privately developed, on-post, garden-style community apartments that the Army has had. So this is our first effort into junior enlisted housing, and we're going to take a look at it, see how it works, and then evaluate where it could add future benefit to the Army on other posts.
There we go.